Before the question, Kuya Sani, magtatanong ka.
Ay, wow!
Kuya Sani.
Charot. Kasi kala ko parang gusto niya
Pero
magtanong.
Para tumataas yung kwento.
Oo nga, parang
One time nga, Kuya
papagano
Sani.
eh.
One
Parang
time lang.
sabi, teka lang ha, baka gusto nga naman talaga niya.
Pero Kuya EJ, alam mo,
Yes,
para
MJ.
again, sorry, pero habang pinapakinggan ko na si Pion, nagka-flashback sa akin yung mga times na, we were just promoting Noah.
Oh my God,
yeah.
no. Ungta, mga ungtas.
Past
Oo.
projects, PJ, starting over again. Here in this same venue, parang medyo nag-ano lang sa mind ko na parang
Lahat dito nangyari yan,
lahat ng mga
And then
milestone.
that's when I remember starting over again when we had a victory party here. I cried. Kasi sabi ko,
Kasi doon ka na nga nagpapaalam.
Sa one song ko talaga yung start. Kaya, yeah.
Natandaan mo yun,
Such a,
MJ?
Yes.
such a full circle. That was 20 years ago, 2004.
Milestone moment yun.
2004.
Nag-flashback sa mind ko lahat ng nangyayari dito sa 14th floor.
Ako nakalimutan ko na sa dami. Charot.
Ako rin eh.
Ang dami.
No, it was
Wow.
really a different kind of energy I had at that time. I was tired. But then the movie was a success and that's when I
Oo,
realized
one of
here
my-
on stage and I couldn't control myself. I cried. Sabi ko, ang sarap palang pag ini-embrace ka ng isang industriya na gusto mo nang iwan tapos pag nakita mo yung appreciation nila sa'yo, hindi ka pala makakaalis
Ang
talaga.
dami mga iconics.
So wala ka nang iniisip na ganun ngayon.
Tsaka na, sarap ng bayad eh.
Saka you're getting your flowers now.
Saan?
Hindi
Saan ba tayo?
Di ba? You're getting your flowers now. You're being recognized for good
Hindi
work,
naman
good
natin
project.
inaano yan eh. Ang
I
sa atin
know,
lang, we're
pero-
sucker for good stories and as long as the scripts, the good scripts keep coming, we'll stay.
Right.
We'll stay. If there's any good story to tell that they tap me to be part of, I'll do it.
Saka, Piolo, anong secret mo sa reinvention?
Making sure na hindi mo ginawa yung ginawa mo na dati and you trust your artistry, you trust
Papapi
your
ito
character.
talaga first. Hindi mo to nagawa even before itong sagrado.
Oo, di ba? Tapos ilabas ko na yung punting buhok ko eh. That's what it is, man. So I'm growing with my character. I'm growing with my artistry. I'm growing as an artist and I want to keep on growing.
Having
You know?
said that, marami pa bang hindi nagagawa?
Sobrang dami naman, MJ. And dumarating tayo sa punto ng buhay natin na, nagkakaya ko palang gawin to. Uy, pwede na pala ako dito. Like, look at Richard Gere. I mean, who would have thought he'd be starring in a film right now? He was just in Cannes. So parang, when I saw Hugh Jackman perform, dancing, singing at the Music Man in New York, 54, sabi ko, kaya ako tinanggap yung Ibarra. Who am I to say na hanggang dito ka na
That's
lang?
right.
I always want to challenge myself and become better by doing different characters.
Right. Streep na nga lang eh. Meryl Streep na nga lang at over 60, di ba?
So yung siguro, there's a character na gusto kong gawin, stripper, ganun.
No, wait. Totoo ba yan?
Hindi, joke lang. Kasi strip. Sobrang ka naman, MJ. Yung
Oh,
hindi
why not? Sabi
mabiro.
mo nga, hindi ko nagagawa eh. Di malay mo nga.
Let's cross the bridge.
O, sa mga
40
producers
plus,
na nakikinig.
Mag-50 at 50, ano?
Uy, magandang angulo yun, ah.
Ewan ko dyan, mga nang-joke lang yan.
Magic Mike. Hindi ka na mabiro.
Ayaw ni
joke.
Mami.
Jokes are half men.
Joke lang.
Okay.
And for the last question sa segment na to, Aaron.
Yes, our killer question will come from Nika Sabio of Push.com.
Ang kinabahan ako doon sa killer question.
Si
Meron ba tayong
maganda ba? Hindi
pag-usapan?
magtatanong? Maganda ba? Hindi magtatanong.
Hindi, kaya ko na ma-explain ang sarili ko.
Okay, go ahead, Miss Nika.
Okay. Hi, congratulations po, Sir Piolo.
Salamat.
Okay. My question po is, from your Malyari character na Dark, and then from your Sagrado Dark, you gave justice to your roles, and then you gave justice as a romantic leading actor. Which one do you prefer po and like the most na ginagawa?
Seriously, as an actor, it's your job to always challenge yourself to become different, to look different, to act different as an artist. Yun yung craft namin na hindi ka stuck sa isang genre, hindi ka stuck sa isang kaya mong traditional na pwedeng gawin and it's a walk in the park. It's always nice to be busy and doing something that takes you out of the box and really challenges you as an artist. So that's where I go. I don't want to be stuck to any genre, hopefully.
Okay, last na lang po, what trait that you like and dislike about Rafael without spoiling anything?
As greedy as he may seem, he's a good father. I mean, ayun lang yung saving grace niya. He wanted to protect his family, and he's not the type to kill. So, yun.
Thank you po and congratulations.
Oh,
Do
so
everything except kill.
Do everything except kill
Ah.
for him.
Interesting.
Our
Okay.
friend from Kapamilya Online World, gusto mo magtanong si ano?
Si Brian?
Brian? Sige na,
Brian.
Brian.
Go,
Siya
Brian.
yung kilalang Kapamilya
Wait,
Online World.
sayang
May gusto
naman yung
magtanong.
3 million followers
I
ng
know,
Kapamilya
very
Online
shy.
World. Brian
Go, Brian.
naman.
Partner, we have a question from Capex.
Ayan,
Si
sige,
Angel
ayan.
Capex
Baza.
official. Another ano.
Kapamilya Exchange.
True. Si Emil ba?
Emil.
Ah,
Yeah.
Go ahead, Emil. Stand up.
Hi, Papa P. Congratulations po sa pilot.
Salamat.
Ano po yung na-discover nyo while doing Pamilya Sagrado?
In what aspect?
Sa sarili nyo po.
Pwede ko palang dalhin dito yung acting ko. Pwede ko palang i-extend pa yung pwedeng puntahan ng imahinasyon ng isang tao. As different as I am in person, what I went through for the character is something that I never would go through in my life. I would never do in my life. And that's a fun part of doing it. So yun lang yung masasabi ko. Thank you.
All right. You're good, Emil? Okay, more pa daw.
Ako, may sorry.
Go ahead, sorry, MJ.
No, curious lang ako, PJ. From someone na nandoon sa loob nung shooting area ninyo, no? Sino sa mga co-actors mo ang nag-stand out sa'yo talaga? For
my-
some reason.
Oh, no.
Mahirap sagutin yan. Magaling kasi lahat. Everyone brought their A game. But if I have to give it to somebody, I'll have to give it to Tito Pip. Chupip.
Bakit?
It's timeless. Remember the first scene where you saw him? That's powerful. That's presence. And that's what we aim for, that presence in a scene. That's Tirso Cruz III, through decades of hard work and just dedication to the craft.
Saka yung generosity, no?
Yeah,
To still
lahat
do
yun,
this?
lahat dapat yun. Na makikita mo kahit intimidated ka, wow, ang sarap umarte kasama siya.
Bigay. Grabe. Okay, Kuya AJ.
Emil, anong favorite scene mo? Kasi, nanood ka ba?
Para sinisindak mo naman siya, EJ. Yung
Aba,
pagkakaanong favorite,
malay ko.
manonood ka ba? Alin doon?
Sa liit ng venue natin, talagang gusto lahat pumasok. Ilan tayo dito ngayon? 100, di ba?
Parang ang dami nga natin. Ang dami
I know,
question.
kanina, siksikan kahit medyo mainit, pero no one left the
Yes,
room.
thank you,
Walang
guys. Thank you.
umihi.
Appreciate it.
Actually,
Umihi
yung actually, sa preview po, kasi sobrang na-highlight po yung powerhouse casting po.
Okay, yun ang gusto mo. Favorite scene ni Papa P?
Same po yung sa Tikoy po eh.
Tikoy. Alright.
Thank you.
Ikaw, Kuya AJ, what's your favorite scene?
Eh kasi tinawag ako, nag-meeting kami, so sa
hindi mo
dami
na panood.
Kaya mo pala tinatanong.
Kaya pinasa mo pala sa
ikaw pala
amin.
hindi nanood.
Hindi kasi
After all, ikaw pala hindi. Kaya mo na nagtatanong.
may live streaming tayo. Eh kasi, abala ako dito. Abala ako sa catering. Abala ako sa catering. MJ, ikaw, favorite scene mo?
The Mylene Dizon from the toilet
Bed.
powder room going to the bed.
Yeah, the dynamic and
That
the
was
explanation how they are as a couple.
That was good. And
Yeah.
the Grace eyes nung nakita niya yung text message or video,
Yeah.
yung mata.
Yeah, nice. Oh, there you go. Nakakatuwa, di ba?
That's very specific.
Kakaroon Team Gray tsaka Team Kyle, ano? Sa amin, sa Viber group namin, meron na
Kaya ako
kami
dito
ganyan.
mamaya.
Grabe naman.
I
Walang
know.
Team Piolo?
Speaking of, ano ba? Stretch pa ba? Ano ba?
Ano
Ano?
na?
Kulang pa
Nabubuking
ba?
tuloy
Kasi-
ako dito.
Sige, nanonood na dun. Saan na siguro?
Kung ano na pinag-uusapan namin dito. Okay, we move on to the next part.
Ano yon? Okay. So,
Eto partner ang namigay ng Tikoy. Wala iba kundi si Justin Tiangco of ABS-CBN Corpcom.
ABS-CBN PR na rin. She's live tweeting yata right now.
Okay.
Hi po. sir.
Galingan mo, Jess.
Congrats po.
Thank you.
Since yung trailer po kasi and the preview, mas ano kasi yung fraternity, yung lineage yun ng Sagrado. So para sa iyo po, ano po yung importance ng legacy and brotherhood?
Everything, it comes together. Family, politics, brotherhood. It all starts with brotherhood in school. And as a fraternity, you become brothers in life, for life. But when family sets in, or when family becomes part of the web, then that's where problems come in for the show. So I think that's really the conflict that we will have to tackle for the show. The fraternity being part of the family conflict and them being part of politics. So yun ang mahirap natin pag-uusapan dito.
Papa P, kasi ganito, I have a question. Parang ito, hindi ko alam kung nasagot mo na to. Parang, every time makikita ka in public, in a show, sa social media, pabata ka daw ng pabata. Ano bang sikreto? Please share. Diet ba? Lifestyle? Ano ba?
Pawis talaga. Mahilig ako magpawis
Yung piga,
sa workout.
oo.
Hindi, I think that the best way for us to sleep right, drink a lot of water, and exercise every day, love, self-love. I mean, you gotta appreciate life for whatever it gives you because every day is a new day to be better and to be a good person.
But what do you, like, what's your diet like?
Oo nga eh. Ano
Malakas
bang-
ako kumain. I don't want to deprive myself of the good things in life. That's why I work out a lot. Minsan I try to eat more because sumusobra naman yung workout ko. So I
Pero
try to
balance
balance.
ito, Lo, ha?
Oo naman. Okay naman. Medyo mahirap minsan pag nagte-training kayo, mahihimatay ka na 80% na 90% na yung heart rate mo. Pero yun eh. As an athlete, kailangan mo i-push yung sarili mo.
Wow. Oo.
Athlete daw.
I know.
Active na. Active lifestyle.
Active
Ikaw,
lang.
MJ, anong lifestyle mo? Charot. Kasi stretch daw ng stretch eh.
Kaya nga. Talk show na kami
maisip.
dito.
Oh, parang nasa Senado na ako.
Ito na nga eh.
Ano kulang pa ba? Manonood naman kayo, di ba?
Recently, you were part of the board of directors ng actor, right? Tama ba? Actor ba yun naging part ka ng
Patay
officer?
tayo dyan,
Board of,
yes.
oo.
I was voted as a director of youth.
You as a youth.
Yeah, youth director for board of directors sa Actoria. So we're gonna be busy with a lot of things. Not just during the GA, ang daming plano ng ating chairman, Ding Dong
Correct,
Dantes.
oo.
So napasa na yung Eddie Garcia bill, so we're happy about that. So just like what I said, let's keep the ball rolling because kailangan talaga natin ng hindi lang improvement, pero kailangan natin ng support ng bawat sektor ng bansa natin para magtulong-tulong tayo maiangat pa yung antas ng entertainment.
Ito never pa ito natanong kasi still remains a top actor ng Philippine industry showbiz. How do you feel, how do you deal with competition, Papa P? Andyan pa ba yan sa mindset mo?
As long as I know I compete with myself and I don't compare myself to the success of somebody else's, hindi ako mai-intimidate or hindi ako kailangan mag-compare or mainggit because alam ko meron akong sariling path na gusto kong puntahan. So I always, from the time that I started in this business, sabi ko magtrabaho ko lang kung meron kang competition, sarili mo yun. Ang success na isa, hindi mo success, iba yung success mo. So focus on yours.
Siya yung the friendliest na nakilala ko talaga.
Hindi talaga pag nag-compete ka kasi magkakaroon ng competition, magkakaroon ng comparison. How come meron siya ito, how come wala ako nito? But if you know na hindi mo pa nakukuha yung gusto mo, you pray for that, you manifest. Pero not because he has it. Gusto mo magkaroon ka ng ganun because iba naman yung ibibigay ng Diyos sa'yo.
Alright, dahil stretch pa daw,
Stretch pa
Dix
rin?
has a question.
Pag-games na lang kaya tayo. Charot.
Hello, Papa P.
Ay,
Ito,
Hey, what's up?
Big si Sagrado. Pero, Papa P, kasi ito yung pangalawang beses mo makatrabaho si Shaina. Sa isang serye. Nung una, sa Marinela, pero bata pa siya noon. Pero ngayon, dito sa Pamilya Sagrado.
Kasama kami sa Lobo.
Pero how's working again with Shaina?
Nice.
talagang bagat sa pagkakasagot mo.
Very nice, huh? No, we're good friends. Shaina and I have been like friends for so long since we were kids. Since we were kids, sinama yung sarili. Kasi child star pa lang yun, nakikita ko na, di ba? We have a good relationship, I could say. And once we are in front of the camera, professional. Siya yun ang take one yan. Talagang, wow, malolokoy. Yeah, lolokoy mo, pero hindi. Pag nandun na, oh, wow, edi wow. Magaling. Sarap niya ka-eksena, sarap niya kasama.
Nakaka-excite din yung mga eksena na din ninyo.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Tapos Papij, di ba happy siya na nakabalik siya sa Dreamscape or di ba sa teleserye. Being one of the closest sa kanya, do you discuss parang tumutulong ka ba, nag-advise ka ba kay Shaina about work ethics? I mean, anything about work.
Hindi, dapat nga sa kanya ako nagtatanong
Bilang
kung paano
child,
maging...
ganun pala siya kaliit.
Bata pa lang ako, pinapanood ko na
Ay.
yun, di ba? So, respeto sa child star.
Nanonood ka ng Click, yung show niya ng bata.
Oo, yung movie nila ni Kuya Aga, yung anak siya ni Kuya Joke lang.
Kasalanan mo to, Chi eh.
Okay, so ano pa? Gusto niya ako naman magtanong?
Sa MJ nga, ang husay-husay ng host din ha.
Ano, MJ? Parang
ano
nawala
pa.
ka ng... ako na ba to?
Ano lang, surprise, may masaya lang na magaganap in a few.
Now, we're waiting kasi to proceed to our next part of the show.
Which
Of
is,
the Q&A. Kasi makakasama natin mamaya yung mga kasama mo rin.
Right.
Si
Wow!
Grace, saka si Kyle.
Right.
No? Kasi kanina, ang dami mo na na-share about from their point of view naman, we wanted to hear kung ano yung mga...
Ako rin eh.
Di ba?
So, okay na ba ako?
Hindi pa. Diyan ka pa.
Hindi pa
Papa
rin.
P, ito, question lang talagang, another, bago tayo mag-jump sa MJ.
Oo.
Pag may mentor, how do you deal?
Are you on that stage?
Dapat
Alright, so
siguro.
na-bring up yan. Sabi ko, yung mentorship kasi, ibigay natin yan sa mga nakakatanda, nakakaangat, or those that really guide you in terms of your career. Personally, dapat manager may nagme-mentor sa'yo. Or ako, for myself, I had the privilege of being mentored by Mr. M. Tita Charo, Tita Mariol. I was mentored by ABS-CBN, even Tito Deo. With these kids right now, I don't want to say or make it appear that I try to mentor them because at the end of the day, what's important is your expression. Now, you're not just looking up to somebody, but you're making that somebody, not as your template, but somebody you can look up to, but not necessarily copy. So if I can mentor someone, I want you to be original, but get the good things that you see that I do. But don't copy me. Yeah.
Kailangan ba lalapit, pag lumapit sa'yo, or
Oh,
kailangan
I'm very
ikaw
generous.
mismo?
Oo
Oo.
naman. Wala. EJ, bibigay mo yung kung anong... Sumobra nga ako minsan before eh. Lahat ng trade secrets ko sinabi ko, napagalitan ako eh. Huwag naman natin tanongin kung sino. Pero after that, sabi sa akin ng manager ko, huwag mo kasi sabihin nila, tayo mo pagdaanan nila. So I told them, sabi ko, if there's any advice I would tell you, go through it. Don't be a know-it-all. Be a student, always try to learn and be a student. Be humble. Kasi lahat naman yan, marirealize mo as you go along. Experiential naman yan. Yung mga experience ko will not be the same experiences that you will
Tama. So, hindi ka nagiging madamot. Gusto mo lang sila ma-experience, you know?
Of course, if there's anything I can help them with, I'm easy.
Right.
Bakit? Ba't may pagkakait yung pag-share ng knowledge and experience sa
Tama.
buhay? Mhm.
Ano reaction mo pag sinasabi nila, uy, siya yung next Piolo Pascual?
Oo naman. Kasi hindi naman pa tayo pwedeng ma-stuck sa kung sino ka at anong kaya mong gawin. So
Okay.
ikaw, pag nag-rise up ka like these boys, I'm their number one supporter. Like my son, is the next. Of course, I want you to be the best that you can be.
Right.
And taasan mo pa yung narating ng iniidolo mo.
O pa-legacy na yung usapan, ha?
Oo,
Hindi
kasi
Pero ang dami pa rin natin napupulot.
I
MJ.
know,
Ang galing.
minsan iba din kausap
medyo
si Piolo
nauubos na rin yung words ko. Nawawala na yung talino ko.
Okay.
Okay. Wala pa rin.
Ay, si Ken Quinto.
Hindi ko naman
as,
birthday. Ano ba yung
additional, si Kenneth Quinto.
Papa P. Habol. You're still one of the top actors in the industry.
Salamat
Pero
naman.
may mga panahon ba na naisip mo na parang pawalay ka na?
Maraming
Yung ganon.
beses,
And
syempre naman.
Kailan mo siya and paano mo siya na-overcome?
Siguro that was a freaking big milestone in my career and my life when I realized na kahit anong gusto mong gawin, pag hindi pa tapos ang Diyos sa'yo at meron pa siya ibang gustong gawin sa buhay mo, hayaan mo na lang siya. So marami akong mga pinagpasa Diyos na bagay. Pag naiisip ko na walay na ako, mawawala na yung career ko, Lord, ikaw na bahala sa akin. And I had a good run. And at the same time, I don't want to be selfish. I want to share it with other people na who also deserve something for themselves. So, kung ano man yung legacy may iwan ko, that'll be left. Not because I'm leaving it, but because that's the work that I've done, for me. And kung ano man, kung sa manunduli ng tadhana, o sa mandali ng pagkakataon, sasabay lang tayo sa Agos. And then we'll do our best to give it our best.
Saka, Piolo, one thing I realized, celebrities don't retire. It's the audience that retires them.
Kasi tinanong ko yung kay Tita Sandy and Tito Bo. One time, I was doing Dahil sa Pag-ibig. Sabi ko, kasi pa-retire na ako. Ang dami, ilang years yan. Sabi ko, Tita, kailan ba kayo mag-stop ni Tito Bo magtrabaho? Sabi niya, we love what we do. This is the only thing that we know. So why quit? I mean, if there's still producers that get us, of course, we're gonna stay around. Siyempre, parang ako sinampal. Sabi ko, wow.
Tapos ikaw.
Oo nga, no? Tapos ako, napaka-ungrateful mo. Di ba? So
nagsumakwit.
that's like, one of the things na na-realize ko na sabi, don't be selfish. There's still other things that you can do to be good, be better, and, to contribute in this business. Don't be selfish.
Papa P for the kasi napaka-konti lang nung acceptance speech mo ng FAMAS.
Tayo dyan, sabi ko na nga ba?